guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really good recipe for you guys. Anyway, I hope it's good, let's put it that way, because I never fit spare ribs before, so you know this will be a first for me. So with that being said, let's jump right to this video. So first off, what I'm gonna do with my spare ribs, I am going to cut some of this fat off. And then I have cut some of the fat off. I'm gonna take off the membrane. This right here you want to remove from your ribs, whether you have spare ribs or whether you have baby back ribs, because this right here causes your ribs to be tough. Took the membrane off the spare ribs. I have cut some of the fat off. I'm gonna line my pan with aluminum foil. I'm gonna take my ribs and I'm gonna spread them on here. So as you can see, it looks like that. Very clean. I washed them again. So after you get the membrane and you know some of the fat off, you may want to wash them again to get some of that excess meat that was laying on there off. So now I'm going to season my ribs. So I have here some Weber's dry rub. I'm gonna sprinkle on here. So you want to cover the ribs. You want to make sure it's covered like really good. Next I have some onion powder I'm going to sprinkle. I'm sorry, that was garlic powder. Onion powder. Black pepper. And a little accent. So now what I'm going to do is turn my ribs over. And I'm going to season the other side. So I'm going to coat it really good. And my accent. This black pepper got me sneezing.
Yeah.
Next, I'm just gonna take our ribs and we're gonna wrap them up. Perfect, and it don't have to be, but now all we're going to do next, our next step after wrapping is place it in the refrigerator. And I'm going to refrigerate my spare ribs, my seasoned spare ribs, for 1 day. Hey guys, it's the next day. So our ribs has marinate in the seasoning in the refrigerator overnight. So all I'm gonna do is, I have my oven set for 250 degrees. So I'm gonna place my ribs in the oven, and you want them to cook for 3 to 4 hours. You can check them in between, but I suggest you try to keep them wrapped tight in aluminum foil so that none of the heat or steam will escape. But other than that, we're going to place them in the oven and we're just going to wait. So pull them out and check them. man, they look amazing. They got the juice sitting in it right here. They are cooking good, but they not quite there yet. So yeah, they need to cook for a little bit more. So I say probably another 2 or 3 hours, because they not nowhere near quite to where I want them to be. So we're just gonna wrap them back up really tight and place them back in the oven. I allow our spare ribs to cook for another 3 hours. So we're going to check them. Now they are done. Yes. Falling out the bone. You can just pick the bones up out of the spare ribs. Yes, so they are done. So now all you want to do is, at this point, you can just put barbecue sauce on it and turn the oven off and just place it back in the oven. So I have barbecued our ribs. They are done. As I had told you before, look at the bone. Just slide right on out. See how easy them bones slide out of there? That's what you want. Barbecue spare ribs in the oven. So at this point, I'm just gonna wrap them back up in aluminum foil, turn my oven off, and just let them sit in the warm oven with the barbecue sauce in them to allow the barbecue sauce to soak in them. You don't want to cook them anymore because you don't want them to dry out. But don't they look amazing? For this to be my first time cooking spare ribs, I think I did a good job. So guys, that concludes this video of my spare ribs. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It has been an experience for me, most definitely. So please comment below and let me know what you think about this video, what I could have did, what I should have did. You know, like I said, this is my first time cooking spare ribs, so you know, it was an experiment. But anyways, so give my video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for chilling out with Down with D. Until next time, bye.